Hello everyone. In the last video, I shared the quote by Don Clifton: "Excellence is the manifestation of talent through practice and learning." And we know that talent alone isn't enough to achieve excellence. In this video, we'll discuss how today's workplace has shifted from traditional supervision to a culture of empowerment and flexibility. Employees today seek purpose, recognition, and growth opportunity. The rise of hypermodels and multi-generational teams, X and Y and Z, changed leadership expectation. Manager must act as the coaches, not just supervisor, inspiring performance through strength-based development. Employees want meaningful work, to feel valued, and to have fair rewards and clear career progression. Modern employees are motivated by purpose and inclusion more than authority and pay. Leadership today means enabling rather than controlling. Thank you.